ESPRIT, the industry-leading cam system by DP Technology, proudly presents ProfitMilling, a unique, patented, high-speed roughing strategy that saves significant time, money, and tooling over traditional concentric roughing and pocketing cycles. Traditional concentric toolpaths often drive the tool into high engagement areas, causing chatter, excessive heat and work hardening, and reduced tool life. The jerking motion of abrupt direction changes in sharp corners can cause damage to the part, the tool, or even the machine. To address these limitations and get the desired results, conservative programming is required. This includes limited feed rates and incremental depths of cut, leading to longer cycle times and increased wear on tools and machines. ESPRIT ProfitMilling answers these limitations with an easy-to-program solution across the spectrum of milling applications from 2.5 to full 5-axis. Here are the top 5 reasons to start using ProfitMilling today. Reason 1. ProfitMilling replaces sharp corners with smooth toolpath transitions and full-width slot cutting with trochoidal tool motion. But it's more than just an efficient roughing toolpath. ProfitMilling also dynamically adjusts the feed rate up to a user-defined maximum through changes in tool engagement and direction to maintain a constant chip load throughout the operation. ProfitMilling calculates the feed rate from the tangential edge of the tool, modeling a more effective feed rate than one calculated from the tool's center line. This, combined with a dynamic feed rate, gives you higher rates of material removal at optimal feed rates. Reason 2. ProfitMilling can extend tool life by 500% or more in comparison to conventional roughing strategies. A consistent, optimized chip load prevents tool deflection and chatter, and the appropriately sized chips carry heat away from the tool and cutting zone, preventing work hardening and cutter deterioration. This adds up to you spending less time changing tools and more time making chips. Reason 3. ProfitMilling reduces cycle times by 75% compared to traditional strategies. Reduced stress on the tool through ProfitMilling's trochoidal slotting strategies, corner picking for jerk-free directional changes, and consistent chip load means that you can use the entire flute length of your cutting tools, removing more material per pass. Reason 4. ProfitMilling improves surface quality, even in roughing. Better surface quality from a roughing process means that finishing can be completed faster, with better results and reduced tool consumption. Reduced tool pressure prevents deformation of thin part walls. Reason 5. ProfitMilling helps you get the most out of your equipment. Need to rough out a part with an underpowered mill? Use ProfitMilling to squeeze every bit of available power out of the machine. Want to take full advantage of your high-speed machining centers? ProfitMilling gets you there. ESPRIT makes it easy to apply ProfitMilling to pocketing and Z-level roughing cycles. You'll see the benefits of ProfitMilling the first time you use it. ESPRIT offers unprecedented support for almost any CNC machine tool on the market, with a dedicated team of post-processor writers working in partnership with machine tool manufacturers such as Mazak, Akuma, DMG Mori, and over 180 others, to support over 3,500 machine models on the market. Digital machine packages include realistic machine models for digital twin accuracy and simulation, and post-processors that deliver the most accurate, efficient, and edit-free NC code for your machine. To bring the power of ESPRIT and ProfitMilling into your shop, go to espritcam.com today to find your nearest reseller.